So, hello everyone. First of all, I would like to pay a great thanks to my teacher who has given me a golden opportunity to speak here. My name is Anju, and today my topic is related to the students, is related to the aspirants of any government job students. So, my topic is how can we do fast revision? How can we do rapid revision? Nowadays most of the students think about that how can we do fast revision and how can we do cover our syllabus within a time. So revision is the second step of the preparation. If you are doing preparation for any job and you have completed your syllabus and now you are doing revision, so it's all about you. So for the revision, first step of the revision, you have to make short notes. Short notes means suppose you have a 100 pages notes, so you have to make 10 pages of the 100 pages, and through the 10 pages you can revise fast in 10 days, in 5 days only. But uh, before the short notes you have to learn your explain note properly. If you have learned your explain notes properly, so then you can understand the short notes very fast and very properly. So first strong your explain notes and strong your basic concepts, then you can revise fast through the short notes. So after the short notes, second step is make synopsis. Second step is synopsis. You can revise through the synopsis. Synopsis means short of the short notes. Suppose you have a 10 pages short notes, so you have to make 2 pages of the synopsis. In synopsis you have to write only keywords, and through the keywords you can through the keywords you can revise very fast, and through the keywords you can understand your whole chapter, whole topic very easily. uh, and if you want to take fast revision, so before the 2 days, before the 1 days, keep your synopsis and revise in 1 hour, in 2 hours very easily. So it is a strategy. First is strong your concepts, strong your basics, and then make the short notes, make the synopsis, and then revise again, and then practice is must, and practice and give the mock test and practice is the it is a process of your revision. If you will read your notes again and again, and if you will read your concepts again and again, so you will get bored and you will get demotivated. So do practice, because the gap of your exam and gap of your strategy of your complete syllabus, it is the gap. So it is a gap will fill your practice only. Through the practice you can fill your gap and make your concepts clear. So it is a strategy for higher level exams like UPPCS, UPSC, Chartered Accountant, CACS, etc. So if you may have told to the toppers, so toppers always says that we made short notes and we revised again and again our notes, so then we can clear the exam. So lastly I want to say that making notes is a hard working process, but making the short notes and making the synopsis is the smart working process. And through the smart work you can achieve everything in your life. So lastly, it's my blessings for you. Have a great success in your life. All the best for your future. And it's all about me and my topic. Thank you so much for giving your golden time, listening to me, and nice to meeting you. Thank you.